Good morning students. In this class we are discussing about the clipper circuits. So clippers are the one of the wave shaping circuits. Okay, what is meant by first the definition for the clipper is nothing but it shaping the output waveform by removing a portion of the input signal. Okay, it's shaping the output signal and the output waveform lo మార్పు వస్తుంది. ఒక పార్ట్ కట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఎదర్ పాజిటివ్ పార్ట్ ఆర్ నెగిటివ్ పార్ట్ ఆర్ బోత్. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ క్లిప్పర్. ఓకే, సో clippers are also called as limiters, amplitude selectors and slicers. So another name for the clippers are limiters, amplitude selectors and slicers. So these are the another names for clippers. Next, coming to the classification, for general classification, clippers are mainly classified into positive clippers, negative clippers, and biased clippers. And final one is combinational clippers. Okay, these four are the different types of the clippers. First we are discussing about the positive clippers. For any clipper, the circuit diagram is very simple. It consists of diode, resistor. Okay, so these are the two basic elements for clippers. So coming to the positive clipper. Again, positive clippers are divided into two types: series positive clipper and shunt positive clipper. Okay, series positive clippers and shunt positive clippers. Circuit diagram only with diode and resistor. First one, series. So series positive clipper means the circuit is like this. So this is the input voltage V in and this is V naught. Sorry. So this is the series positive clipper. Okay. So circuit diagram నేర్చేసుకుంటే థియరీ చాలా ఈజీ ఇక్కడ. సో కమింగ్ టు ద సిరీస్ పాజిటివ్ క్లిప్పర్, వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్? సో హియర్ ద ఇన్పుట్ సిగ్నల్ ఈజ్ ఎన్ alternate signal. So for positive half cycle, so here for positive half cycle, the diode is in reverse biased. It acts as a open circuit. Okay, for positive half cycle, the diode is in reverse biased. So here cathode and anode. So diode ఎలా ఉంటుంది? reverse biased లో ఉంటుంది. So for positive half cycle, diode reverse biased open circuit. So no voltage across the output. Okay, so this waveform is, so this is our input waveform V in. So this is our output waveform. Okay, for positive half cycle, the diode is reverse biased open circuit. There is no voltage across the resistance R. So here no voltage. For the negative half cycle, the diode acts as forward biased. So negative. So the diode conducts and short circuit. So the loop completes and there is a voltage across the output. So for negative half cycle, we get the output waveform like this. Okay, so this is the output waveform. So here the positive portion of the input signal is clipped. That's why this is called positive series clipper. Okay. Next, shunt. So shunt positive clipper. So here the diode shunt lo connect cheyali. So the resistance is here. The circuit is like this. VI, V0. Okay. So here same waveforms. So for positive cycle, for the input positive cycle, the diode is forward biased and the diode conducts. For positive half cycle, the diode conducts. So positive, the diode conducts and acts as a short circuit. So loop form అయిపోయింది. So there is no voltage across for positive half cycle. Okay. For shunt positive clipper, the diode is positive forward bias and it conducts. So there is no voltage across the output. For negative half cycle, the diode does not conduct. So it acts as a open circuit. For negative half cycle, diode does not conduct and acts as an open circuit. The voltage for negative half cycle, the negative portion is available at the output. So the waveform is like this. Okay. So this is the output waveform for shunt positive clipper. Not only for sine waveform, we can also draw for square. For square, for positive half cycle, the diode acts as a short circuit. We can get only negative half cycles. Okay. This is VI and V0. So this is for positive clipper. So positive clipper means that it clips the positive portion of the input signal and delivers only the negative half cycle. Thank you.